tinatanggap dito sa Bicol. So, again, we will try to go as far as Albay, tomorrow, and try to reach as many Bicolano's as much as possible, and go around the country again after this, I think will be in Visayas area. Hindi. Kakaroon ako ng ano yung muscle pain. Kaya mas gantigan sa sabi ko. Kaya, yung sabi ko hiwalay. Siyempre po, saka nakakita may vice president ako. Pero natin serious. Sabi kaya ni Doc Lisa, ang pipi ko raw pang pinata. 1/10 of the team. So, okay lang. Kasi yung change ng weather condition, plus yung tedious schedule, siyempre wala nang masama. Total libre natin ito. Pero okay po. Ating kumori at home kasi libre na rin.
Boy, pinakasalimin na nga yan. Yan yung atras.
Initiate decorate sa pagdito nila. Sigurado akong bawal. Garantisado. Bawal. Yan blatant violation. Sobrang bawal. But anyway, sila naman may gawa niya. Sobrang namin sila sa tayo, focus na tayo, balik tayo sa tao. Sulit tayo. Ikot tayo. Town hall meeting here, town hall meeting there. Kita natin ang tao, alamin natin ang sitwasyon, nagulat ka ako. Narinig ko naman, I think Jimmy was there. About the situation of Masbate. So, problema nila, kuryente, internet, and potable clean, access to potable clean water. Plus, farm, dahil maraming similar to grow. Kumbaga, meron information. When I saw that, I took note of it and sent it to my record and tried to help mga taga-Masbate na we will not receive that. Tulad na sinabi ko last month, we will acquire technologies and equipment available technology that at least can predict the economic disaster ahead of time. Because preparation is better than any action while it is ongoing yung disaster. So with the technology nowadays, it's available, we'll acquire it. Then we'll create more facility like in the case of City of Manila. Tapos sakasakali, meron silang pansamantala na malilikasan. Tapos yung mga accident-prone area, sa masyadong exposed sa regular meeting ng disaster, we should look into it and create a proper place and board jobs for them doon sa mga area pwede natin sila ilikas na maging permanenteng ligtas at panata kapag problema. Because you are right, Kat, laging hinahampas ang bagyo, ang Bicol at pamisa-misa ang dalapanan ng utang ngayon. Ay, maraming salamat kay Senator Trilon at thank you for calling community. Welcome po kayo, Senator Trilon, sa aming team. Nagpapasalamat po kami ni Secretary John, ni Carmelina, ni Samira, at sa ni Jopen. Of course, we would welcome them to unite para malakas natin yung ating kampanya at mapapagsuyo pangalawa, the most important thing with regard to your question, I think the government in terms of experience, pagka yun ang pinag-usapan sa kwenta ng panahon, malayo-malayo naman yung kwenta na doon sa akin ng competition. Pagpatupo sa blend of service and public service. Then, siguro, napaganda ako mga bagay na nagawa natin sa Amerika. Maaaring ma-replicate and ma-escalate. Not only the physical, vertical, and horizontal buildings. It's more on the
yung ilaw niya.
ability
Ilaw ng camera niya.
were main challenging times. Kaya ba, mayroon magbuhat ng bangko, but at least, we're happy to be here to offer an option sa kanilang kapitbahay. Kung hindi nilang kursunada yung kanilang kapitbahay, available naman kami ng team namin. Hanggat mare, wala namang may-ari ng Pilipinas, kundi mga Pilipino. Katulad sa Maynila, welcome sila sa Maynila. Doon sa isang kanto. Hindi nga, doon sa isang kanto.
Dapat siya magsahin ka na.
Ay, bakit?
Bili ka ng ulam.
No? In fact, if there is a chance, I'll go there. Why not? I do believe, sabi ko nga sa inyo, matigas man ang ulo, lalapot din. Hindi ako mahihiyang umarap sa tao sa amang lugar man ng kahit sino. Kasi tao naman ang bumoto, hindi naman yung kakumpetensya mo. It is the people who will choose, not them.
Rally nyo today na Pinoy, isang rally na isang kalaban na nagawa ng paraan na magpatuloy. What does this mean about how you and your supporters find ways to makapagpuntahan ng kapag-antaman? Kahit umulan, umaraw,
Ako sa totoo lang, masaya lang ako sa mga team ng Colon team na sinusundan nila yung habit ko sa pagkakuya. That kapag nakaharap tayo ng mga suliranin, biglaang suliranin, emergency situation, nakakapag-adjust. And I'm happy that they're doing the same. Ngayon, talaga, I have to give it to Senator Jesus Otero ng government na, you know, sa dito, dumating kami, na-access namin yung lugar nila. May chicha pa kami dito. Tapos yung telox ko, Toscas ni Cheese. I mean, wala na akong hihiling. Kaya,
Yung address ng Rubeco, doon, hanapin nyo lang doon, misis ko dito sa
komunikasyon namin bilang kandidato, hindi yung mga kausap yung tao.
Hindi ko sa Bicol.
And I'm grateful.
Misis ko nandun sa bahay. Oh.
Sobrang thank you. Ibang-iba talaga, ibang-iba lang pinakita. Sure.
Unit 7, oh, sa likod ng Lua Vista.
Challenge? Actually, challenge is everywhere. Weather is a challenge also, especially nowadays. Nung isang araw, nag-trip tayo sa motorcade. I mean, I can feel it. With all honesty, medyo sabi ko, teka muna, ipainom niyo muna ako tubig. So that is a challenge. Weather is a challenge. Geography is a challenge. Because we're an archipelagic country. Dialect is a challenge. Because every areas or regions have different dialect. Customs, attitude, economic situation ng isang demografiya or ng isang geografiya is a challenge. So, every day is a challenging day for any candidate. That includes us. So, but then again, sabi ko, sugod laban, huwag siyang sugod, posible. I mean, literally.
So, what did sa Rocco plan for the marathon?
Eh, ako'y kinararangan ko na ipagamit sa atin at tulungan tayo ng aksyon demokratiko bilang partido. Kaya, I'm really grateful to the Rocco family to be in a situation to be with them. So any help, and I think, and I guarantee you this, for Rocco and other Roccos and other members of the Action Democratico here in Bicol are really supporting it. Marami lang talagang yung tao. Marami lang talaga sa bawat area yung silent majority. Kasi nga napipingi na sa pempang ng trolling o yung isinuswan na napatakot na yung tao. Kaya ako na rin mismo nag-i-initiate. I think you've been hearing me that for the past 2 weeks, sinasabi ko kayo makikipag-away. Hindi ko naman sa inyo yung message sa kanila mismo. Simply because ayoko may stress yung tao. Sa dami ng problema ng tao, next month, tomorrow, may problema na naman ang tao ngayon. Tataas na naman yung langis. So sa dami ng problema ng langis, ay problema ng tao sa langis, sa mura bilhin, trabaho, sweldo, pandemya, gera, with all the anxiety, yung psychological challenge, and economical challenge ng tao. I don't want them to participate in engaging in controlling or sagutan. Gusto ko, kimkimin na lang nila yung pagmamahal nila sa amin. Tapos pagdating sa hurna, mundo na. Ngayon, hindi pa naman sila desidido, naiintindihan sila para hindi na sila ma-bash, ma-pollute yung mind nila. Pagdating sa hurna, pwede naman mag-switch. Pwede na. No. Ito for this year's side. I don't ask any local leaders, any endorsers, or promise you votes. You know why? It's a great insult to the voters. With all honesty. I want a good sum of numbers. Vote na tao. Yes. Pero yung ipapangako ng isang tao, yung kanyang mamamayan, na daang-daang libo, milyon-milyon. Kasi naman walang ganun sa amin. I mean, yung mga local namin. Kasi gusto ko, suyuin natin yung tao. Kusapin natin yung tao. Dumiretso tayo sa tao. Tapos, added bonus na lang yung endorsement. And it's a good bonus. But, I think, hindi natin pwede ipangako. Ako nang bahala sa'yo dito. Bibigyan kita ng 1 milyong boto. Pinangungunahan mo na ang taong bayan yun. Sinasaklawan mo na yung kanyang karapatang makapamili ng leader ayon sa pagkakaunawa. So, I don't ask them that. Viewers, terrorism is not acceptable universally. Nobody will agree with terrorism. Then peace talk should be holistic. It's hard, mahirap, magastos, matagal or painstaking process. But I guarantee you, sa haba ng pasensya ko sa buhay, I will continue to seek peaceful means to achieve just long-lasting peace for every Filipino. Nagawa na sa ibang bansa, nagawa na sa barn, you were there, nagawa sa barn. That struggle of our Muslim brothers and sisters. Now nakikita na nila yung mukhang liwayway. Darating din na sikat ang araw sa barn. Pero as we speak today, there is now ongoing transition of governance to govern their respective areas. Tapos ang alliance, ang one country pa rin tayo, Philippines. So if there, whoever they are, those groups or armed groups, talk to them, sing for peaceful things. But so not to have that in future, that kind of situation, insurgency, kailangan ng trabaho maging available sa tao. Kapag may nakakain ng tao, malamang sa hindi yan sasabi sa Mayor, your father is the red hand. But your father is the red hand. No, red tagging, it has to be supported by intelligence data. Now, yung red tagging lang kasi yung pananaw mo medyo, libawa lang for the sake of komunista. Yan lang ang paniwala mo, pero hindi ka mag-komunista. It's just that you believe in that kind of principles. Bakit ka maka-red tag? Kasi ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng red tag? Gumit ang word. I don't know. Hindi naman ako babasa masyado ng dictionary. But I have never seen a word red tag in the dictionary. So somebody, for what purpose it is, I don't know. But if you're just red tagging Kat to me, because she disagreed with me, that is okay. If the meaning of red tagging is armed group going against the state. Kasi if you go bear arms against the state, I'll protect the state. And it's but if you believe in something, just believe. Itong gobyerno na gusto ko, you are entitled to your belief. And I will respect that. It doesn't mean I agree with you. I can sit with you, I can talk to you, I can dine with you, but it doesn't mean I agree with what you believe. Kumbaga, respect begets respect. But red tagging as an armed group, mali yun. Kailangan mapatunayan natin, rebelde ba talaga ito? Terrorista ba talaga? Because we don't deal with terrorists as much as possible. We know, unless another life is at stake, an innocent life. That's another circumstance. I don't know. I'm not in the position. I was not there. I was not in the position reading the report. But yung tanong niya kanina, sa matter of example, so hindi ako naniniwala na i-red tag na lang ang isang tao, dala ng paniwala na. But if red tagging is armed revolution against an existing state, peaceful state, an effective state, I'll protect the state and its people. Baka merong, yun na, tulad ng tanong mo, baka may, ay ko pala nagsabi na mga meron siyang nababasang intelligence report. I cannot answer to that kasi hindi naman ako bahagi ng security briefing. But I think baka may basihan siya. But for the meantime, ito, relax now. Tayo. Kami naman, isang ano na kami, isang bus na kami, isang kotse lang kami. Okay na kami. We focus on reaching, hopping, all the yesterday events. So if you notice it, you want the path, tweet, hit and run. Because we're really trying to show to you how dedicated our team is reaching as many people as possible, as many kilometers as possible. And I hope God will provide good health and resources. Malaliman ng bulan ang balon, matutuyunin yun. Ano? Ay, may pumapatak pa. Hindi, saka modest naman yung campaign namin. Pakikita, hindi namin kailangan ng mga malalaking artista. Artistahin na si Johnny. Ako si Samira, artistahin. Ito, pamatay ko. Di ba? Singer. I mean, I'm kidding aside, I'm really happy. We're enjoying it, but don't get us wrong. Ang hirap. But we're not complaining. Ang hirap talaga. Psychologically,
Ano siya man
yung emotion din medyo na nagpasakan, but physically, very challenging. Plus the weather condition, nasya kami sa Marso lang ngayon, tumulan din. I mean, hindi mo inaasahan. At we need your prayers and support. Kasama nyo na kami sa dasal ninyo, hindi man na kalamisan. But we will be there. Pilitin namin mag-ikupan naman.